Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And well, learning Spanish vocabulary can be a little bit boring and maybe a bit tedious. So in this video, I'm going to teach you a fabulous game that makes learning vocabulary fun. ¿Listo? Vamos! So it's Mental Health Awareness Week next week, the 13th to the 20th of May. So I thought I'd share with you an activity that I play with students, old and young, that has a fabulous health benefit. And that is, it improves your memory. So we all know how boring and tedious learning Spanish vocab or vocab for any language can be. Maybe you're on your Duolingo streaks, or you're trekking out Memrise, or you're using Quizlet, and it can maybe get a little bit boring. This game is fab. You do need to play it with more than one person though. The game, I went to the supermarket and I bought. You might have played this at school, or you might have played it when you were younger, and you have to play it with more than one person, obviously. But the idea of the game is, you say in Spanish, let's use the supermarket as an example, fui al supermercado y compré. So here's a little side note. Notice how I said fui al supermercado y compré. Well, that word fui is the preterite tense of the verb ir. The verb ir means to go. In the present tense, it's voy, I go or I am going. In the past tense, fui means I went. Fui al supermercado. And then I said y compré. Compré is the preterite tense, the preterite version it's a preterite tense of the verb comprar, which is an AR ending verb that means to buy. In the present tense, I say compro. Compro, I buy. The past, compré, I bought. And that accent on the E at the end is really, really important. Anyway, back to the lesson. I went to the supermarket and I bought. And then you say the name of a thing that you would buy in a supermarket. Let's use the general vocab for fruit. Yeah, fruit and vegetables. Yeah, fruta y verduras. So for example, I say, fui al supermercado y compré una manzana. So when you play this, it's very important that you get your noun, manzana, and your article, una, correct. The next person to go will say, fui al supermercado y compré, they say what you bought, una manzana, and then they say what they bought, una banana. The next person to play the game says, fui al supermercado y compré, what I bought, una manzana, what the next person bought, una banana, and then what they bought, una naranja, yeah, an orange. And you go round and round like that. So it's a fabulous way to remember the vocab, to learn new vocab, but also it's a fabulous activity to exercise your memory. Of course, it's a great game to play in a big group, but it's also fun to play if there are just two of you. Have a go, see how you get on, and let me know. I'd love to know what other games you play in Espanol that help with your memory. For now, that's all from me. Hasta la próxima. Adiós!